having a baby. No, really. I just punched my nose in the stomach. I really just did. Look what I found.
Can you stop?
What?
Is that what I'm gonna wear in my show? My
No,
show?
I'm gonna walk around and just wear this. Like, I'll take all my clothes off and I'll just wear this and I'll put it like this. So it goes on my butt and covers my twat, and then
Yo,
it'll
nippies.
cover my nippies.
Yo, nippies.
And I'll wear this as a bathing suit.
Hello, fellas.
That's what I'll do.
Will you?
Seriously, whenever I'm hot, I get so horny.
Here,
so
can you?
bad.
Can you hold it?
What? Do you get? What do you get?
Honey, baby.
Really?
Yes, baby.
Okay, honey.
Baby.
Baby.
Honey. Hello. What up?
I love you.
Love you too.
I'm your baby's daddy.
Let's have sex.
In this minute
Right now.
with your dog.
In my buttholes.
What do you wish you had?
I wish I had a butthole. I want a butthole.
What the fuck? I don't speak dolphin. Did you just hear that noise that just came out of your mouth? Look at my outfit. So tell me a story.
So I was eating these chicken wings
Chicken wings.
in my country van, and we whipped people until they fell down.